Thanks for checking out Liberty Marketplace, the affordable e-commerce solution designed for small craft vendors. For the low price of $3 a month, you can have your store online and ready to accept orders within minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to go through the registration process. So here we see the registration form, and I was able to get here by visiting libertymarketplaceinc.com and then clicking on register in the navigation. In this top portion, we have the information relevant to our account. Here we can go ahead and pick our username, password, and then also give the email address for our account. The email address is important because that's where notifications whenever orders have been placed will go, and also any lost password links or additional instructions. For this example, I am going to set up an account for my imaginary company, John's Widgets. Go ahead and select a password. And I will give it my email address. Okay, now in this second portion, we have the information that's relevant to our online store. In the first field, we have the site name, and just like it says right below here, this is going to affect what our web address is for our store. So for instance, with my imaginary John's Widgets company, I'm going to select John's Widgets. And this means that if I want to direct anybody to my website, now my address is going to be johnswidgets.libertymarketplaceinc.com. Next, we have the store name, and this is actually the human readable form of the site name. So one interesting thing to take note of in the site name is we'll want to avoid any punctuation or capitalization or apostrophes in that because it's just a web address. For the store name, though, this is what the customer is going to see in the title of the page and in other locations. So we'll make this the more human readable form with capitalization, punctuation, and spacing. Next, we'll want to enter a phone number, and this is any number that you can be reached at for your company. And then lastly, we'll want to add a store logo. This is going to display in the head of the web page, like here. Just going to select our logo file, and this is any image file. Once we have all of that information, we'll go ahead and proceed to PayPal checkout. And here we're given information about what exactly we're checking out. And this is going to be a recurring fee, $3 every month. And PayPal is going to go ahead and log us in. Here we see more information about what the transaction is, and we're just going to make sure everything looks right, and then click agree and pay. Finally, we come back here, and this is our last time to kind of update or set anything. Here we see this is the logo that I had previously uploaded. We're getting a nice little preview of it here. I want to confirm that store name, phone number, site name, all this looks correct. And it does. So I'm going to go ahead and complete my payment. Okay, and then now we are official. We have our website. If we click on the link here, we have information to visit your website, and then we're given this address. And here we can see this is my website with no additional information on it. We'll get into how to edit this content and all that. And if you notice, it says currently this is set to a demo store for testing purposes, and that is because we have not completed the next step, which is adding products and setting up our actual e-commerce store. And to do that, we have to click on this link right here to manage our new site. That concludes our first instructional video on how to register your account. To learn more about setting up your e-commerce store, please check out our next video.